Hello everyone, welcome to Science World, and today we are going to prepare carbon dioxide gas at home. كلنا عملنا تجربة الفولكينو في المدرسة واستخدمنا بيكنج صودا، فينيجر and red color، وعرفنا ان الغاز اللي بيطلع في تجربة الفولكينو هو كربون دايوكسيد. النهارده هنحضر نفس غاز الكربون دايوكسيد بطريقتين مختلفين عن الفولكينو. يلا بينا نشوف. We are going to prepare carbon dioxide gas. All what we need is vinegar, baking soda or baking powder, and we will put the vinegar here step by step. We will add more vinegar because we want more carbon dioxide, and then we will add the baking soda inside the balloon. Can you see that? All what we need to do is to put the balloon in the flask and let the baking soda go inside with the vinegar. The reaction will give us carbon dioxide, and like this here, baking soda and vinegar give us carbon dioxide gas that inflates the balloon. This is the first experiment to prepare carbon dioxide gas. Well, the second way to prepare carbon dioxide, we will bring a balloon and then we will add baking soda over here. We will add like 3 to 5 spoons like this. And then the second step is to add vinegar. So we need a glove. We will start to cut the first piece or a finger from this glove with a scissor, and then we will add the vinegar. We can make it easy to put the vinegar inside the cup like this, and then we will start to put the vinegar inside the finger of the glove like this. Now we have to make it tight by adding like a thin wire. The last step is to put the vinegar inside the balloon with the baking soda over here. Like this, we will add it. Okay, now the baking soda and the vinegar inside the balloon. The last step is to close it. So I close it like this. I drew like an eye and mouth. Or what I have to do, we have the vinegar inside and the baking soda. We have to do only like this. Look. What happens that baking soda and vinegar reacts together and give us carbon dioxide that makes the balloon inflates. So in both of the experiments, baking soda and vinegar react together and give us carbon dioxide gas that inflates the balloon. And remember that carbon dioxide doesn't help in burning. So if there are any carbon dioxide around us and there is a fire, it can put out the fire. So كل اللي استخدمناه النهارده هو البيكنج صودا، الخل اللي هو الفينيجر. Both of them react together and give us carbon dioxide. يتفاعلوا مع بعض ودونا غاز ثاني أكسيد الكربون. Carbon dioxide doesn't help in burning، مش بيساعد على الاشتعال، بالعكس بنستخدمه في طفاية الحريق، يعني fire extinguisher، علشان نطفي بيه الحريق لأنه مش بيساعد على الاشتعال. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to watch more videos from your lovely channel Science World with Miss D.